Hi guys, good evening. So our task tonight is to prepare this steel cage for panel 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, I'm not exactly. Yeah. So our guys is going to pull the extension bar. Yeah, it's easy to connect to the second steel cage while we are lowering the cage on the panel. And tonight is we don't have this excavation and we don't have this lowering steel cage because tomorrow I think that is the cement are not enough to supply for 34 meters. So tomorrow we are going to to work like preparing, cleaning the area and preparing the steel cage also. So in order that the next day when the cement is available, so all the steel cages are ready for all the panels. So tomorrow the day shift is going to take this some steel cage in order that is the welder can welding all the intersection, the lifting area. Yeah. So yeah, it's only the work by tomorrow and Monday. So we have to resume for the excavation and pouring up concrete of the panel. So tonight is my guys is working to pull the steel, yeah, fixation bar, and some people is preparing the barbacan, and my other people is preparing this concrete spacer. Yeah, guys. So that is our task tonight. So I think that in midnight, 12 or 12 o'clock or 11 p.m. tonight is we're going to go. Yeah, we did once we are finish our task tonight is we can go early at home. Yeah. So guys, yeah. So our people right now here is we have three guys here is working to pull the station bar here, and my other two people is working to make the barbacan, and my two people is working to make the preparation for the concrete spacer mold. Yeah. They are preparing the mold for the concrete spacer. So in order that on Monday when the pouring concrete is started, so we can get some concrete to make it this concrete spacer, guys. So guys, this is our job tonight. Yeah. Hopefully on Monday we resume to lower the steel cage and excavation, guys.